Modify with Tree. How can you adapt and modify your sport activity to include everyone? You can use Tree. The letters of Tree represent aspects of sport activities that can be modified to include everyone. T, teaching style. This includes how you coach and instruct. Adapt and modify how you organise, lead and communicate. R, rules. This includes the way you do things. Adapt and modify how you run activities by simplifying, adding or even removing rules. E, environment. This includes accessible spaces and welcoming places. Adapt and modify the playing area or surface and make everyone feel safe and welcome. E, equipment. This includes the ball, bat, hat and all. Adapt and modify the size, shape, weight and type of equipment. Give Tree a go.